Earth's ancient history is written in the bones of its continents. Towering mountains that rose, crumbled, and reshaped the very fabric of the planet. Among them, supermountains were the greatest of all, colossal ridges of rocks that stretched across entire supercontinents, shaping the climate, atmosphere, and even the course of life itself. One of the most astonishing of these was the Nuna Supermountain, a primordial titan that formed between 2 and 1.8 billion years ago. Unlike anything seen today, it was a mountain range so vast that it dwarfed the Himalayas, influencing the planet in ways that echo through time. It was not just a mountain range, it was a force of nature that helped sculpt the very air we breathe and fueled the rise of complex life. This is the incredible story of the Nuna Supermountain. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and like this video, as it's the best way to support this channel. Imagine a time when Earth's landmasses were on a collision course. Vast tectonic plates grinding together in an unstoppable, slow-motion cataclysm. The birth of the Nuna Supermountain was a direct result of continent-to-continent collisions, as multiple cratonic blocks, including Laurentia, Baltica, Siberia, North China, Greenland, and Australia, smashed together to form the Nuna Supercontinent. This was no ordinary mountain building event. The collision was so intense that entire sections of the Earth's crust were forced skyward, creating a mountain range that may have towered over 10 kilometers high, perhaps even higher than modern Mount Everest, which stands at 8.8 kilometers or 29,000 feet. The forces at play were unimaginable. As the crust crumpled under immense pressure, heat and friction caused entire rock layers to metamorphose into dazzling garnet-bearing formations, marking the depths of these mountains. The intense orogenesis resulted in extreme crustal thickening, with roots plunging more than 60 kilometers deep into the Earth's mantle. Granitic intrusions and molten rock surged upward, further shaping this unfathomably large range. This was a mountain system forged in fire, an unrelenting display of planetary power on a scale never seen thus far. The Nuna Supermountain stretched beyond imagination. Over 8,000 kilometers long, it was a chain of peaks that likely spanned nearly an entire supercontinent, a scar of stone that towered over a primeval world. If modern mountain ranges are the bones of continents, then the Nuna Supermountain was their spine, a vast, indomitable range that shaped the very essence of Earth's surface. By comparison, the Himalayas are approximately 2,400 kilometers or 1,500 miles long. For millions of years, the colossal heights of the Nuna Supermountain defied erosion. But in time, even the mightiest peaks succumbed to the relentless forces of wind and rain. As these mountains eroded, they unleashed an extraordinary gift to the planet: vast quantities of sediment, minerals, and nutrients that flowed into the ancient oceans. Among these elements was phosphorus, a nutrient that supercharged microbial life and kick-started a revolution in atmospheric chemistry. The result? The Great Oxidation Event, a pivotal moment in Earth's history when the atmosphere was flooded with oxygen. Before this, oxygen levels were dangerously low, and life struggled to evolve beyond primitive forms. But the breakdown of the Nuna Supermountain changed everything. As sediments buried organic carbon, it locked away carbon dioxide and allowed free oxygen to accumulate, paving the way for the emergence of early complex life. Without this process, Earth might have remained a planet of microbial sludge, never giving rise to the wondrous biodiversity we see today. Although the existence of the Nuna Supermountain is well supported by geological evidence, the exact dimensions and precise location of this monumental range remain difficult to determine. Because it formed nearly 2 billion years ago, much of its original structure has been buried, eroded, or recycled by Earth's ongoing tectonic activity. Scientists reconstruct its presence through fragmented clues, zircon deposits, ancient sedimentary basins, and high-pressure metamorphic rocks, found in the cratons that were once part of Nuna. However, ongoing studies continue to refine these estimates, and future discoveries may reveal even more about the full extent and influence of this prehistoric mountain range. While modern ranges can be directly mapped, Nuna Supermountain exists as an incredible piece of Earth's deep history, one that is still being uncovered. As the supermountain disintegrated, Earth itself was reborn. The vast quantities of weathered rock enriched the oceans, fueling an explosion of microbial life. Fossil evidence from 1.85 billion years ago suggests that this was the era when banded iron formations began disappearing, signalling profound shifts in ocean chemistry. Soon after, the first macroscopic organisms, such as Grippania, appeared, some of the earliest known eukaryotic life forms, ancestors of all complex life on Earth. So this was more than just a geological event, it was a biological revolution. The Nuna Supermountain may have directly enabled the rise of eukaryotic cells, the building blocks of all plants, animals, and fungi. Its erosion was a slow but powerful catalyst, driving life towards greater complexity and setting the stage for the emergence of multicellular organisms millions of years later. Beyond its impact on biological evolution, the Nuna Supermountain may have also played a crucial role in Earth's climate regulation. As its immense peaks weathered, the silicate minerals released into the ocean actively removed carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, a process known as the silicate weathering cycle. This long-term cooling effect could have contributed to the stabilization of global temperatures, preventing extreme greenhouse conditions and allowing early life to flourish. Additionally, some researchers suggest that the sediment washed away from the Nuna Supermountain contributed to the formation of vast continental shelves, which later served as crucial environments for the development of marine ecosystems. These shallow coastal waters may have provided sheltered habitats where early eukaryotic life could diversify and thrive, setting the stage for the eventual explosion of multicellular life in later eons. One often overlooked legacy of the Nuna Supermountain is its contribution to Earth's vast metal deposits. As the immense range eroded, it transported iron, gold, and other valuable minerals into sedimentary basins, forming some of the world's most significant ore deposits. These ancient supermountain-derived metal accumulations are still mined today, playing a crucial role in global economies. Without the erosion of Nuna's colossal peaks, many of Earth's richest mineral reserves would not exist in their current concentrations. The Nuna Supermountain stands as one of the most remarkable geological structures in Earth's history. No other known mountain range has influenced the planet on such a profound scale, affecting not only the geology, but also the chemistry of the atmosphere and the evolution of life itself. The very foundations of modern biological complexity can be traced back to the weathering of this supermountain, highlighting how deeply interconnected Earth's systems truly are. Recent studies have sought to uncover more about the supermountain's role in shaping the early biosphere. Advances in geochemical analysis and sedimentary geology continue to reveal new details about its formation and subsequent erosion. These discoveries not only help us understand Earth's past, but also provide insights into the processes that may influence planetary evolution beyond our world, potentially guiding the search for life on other planets. The Nuna Supermountain was more than just a mountain range, it was a world-changing phenomenon, a titan of stone that set the stage for life as we know it. It was a creation of unimaginable forces, a chain of peaks higher and longer than anything today, that sculpted Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and biosphere. From its fiery birth in continent-crushing collisions to its slow demise into dust, Nuna was the silent architect of a world that would one day teem with life. As scientists continue to uncover more about Nuna's past, we are reminded that mountains are not just landscapes, they are forces of transformation. And in the grand story of Earth, the Nuna Supermountain was one of the greatest chapters ever written. I hope you found this as interesting as I did, and as always, thanks for watching. Before I end this video, I'd like to give a big shout out to my Patreon and YouTube members. Thank you so much to everyone that helps to support this channel.